This day that God is giving me, I'm not gonna waste. This joy deep down inside me, I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long.
Oh, this camera is so good. Oh boy, no you are not. Blindfold. Okay. I want the inside. It's a chair. Thank you. Put y'all on the charger so you won't die. Are you excited, babe? Are you excited?
Yes.
Cool.
You probably can't record to me.
Why not? I'm recording myself.
You want to private or you want to meet some people? You meet some people, you gotta wait. Set it all forward. You want to meet people? Right. You want to keep it private?
Cheers. It's the aftertaste for sure.
Enhance your taste, your touch, your hearing.
Can't see for real.
Keep your tea light visible.
Okay, it's cold. Where's I feel like I'm on Survivor. Oh, it's sticky. Oh, where is that? They taste it.
I'm trying to.
What is that?
Hold on. Put your camera to it.
I am, but it's not helpful. It's like zesty. Like
Your camera can't see it.
I mean it can, but I can't see the camera.
I'm talking about for afterwards.
Oh yeah, it's on here.
Hold on.
It tastes like coleslaw. Oh, it's like something you do.
You said something I did.
Yeah, it's like you. Oh, I think it's like a meat salad or something. Yeah.
I can't tell what it is.
I don't know what it is, but it's good.
I think I just tasted cheese.
It's like coleslaw with chips, with like Ritz crackers.
I don't know.
Oh, this is really good. I feel like I'm making a mess.
Tastes like crackers. What is it?
All right.
It's a cracker. It's good here, Tony. I don't know what it is.
It's pickled.
It's good, bro. It's good, Tony. It's like pepperoni something.
It does taste like pepperoni.
I don't know what this is, Tony.
What's your rating out of 5?
If I could know what I'm tasting with the phone.
I give it a good 3.
I'm just eating air. I'm trying to eat air too.
I know I'm eating crackers. You said something about cheese. Oh, I got cheese.
This is like pepperoni.
Ooh, that's some hard.
Is it a GoPro?
Huh?
Is it a GoPro?
That's a DJI.
It's recording now. Okay, okay. I was about to tell you, you got to set up now. Don't let them rush you now.
Okay, that's the cracker for sure. I feel so uncivilized. Oh my gosh.
It's okay. You can use your hand.
I don't hate people.
Right. I thank God for my sight. Oh, that's terrible.
I need some cheese. Another cheese. That's not good.
No, the cheese ain't good. I think it's some pickled onions in here. I don't know. I know some crackers on here.
I'm trying to eat hopes and dreams.
Not hopes and dreams.
I can't do it. I'm making this. Please don't feed me. Taste it.
I haven't tasted it yet. I'll wait on you to taste it.
Alright, I'll go first.
Okay.
I don't got no other fork.
Huh.
That's unfortunate.
Here. Here.
Do you have another fork?
Yes.
No, you don't. You have
Reach
no-
out your hand.
I'm trying to. Okay, I got it. You got another fork though?
Yes.
I'm scared. I bet it's cheesecake. I know what cheesecake tastes like. You're not fooling me.
Okay.
But ain't no.
One of these things I could pick up.
You said what?
I said I could pick up one of these things.
It's cheesecake bites, I think.
It is.
Oh.
Oh, it's strawberry.
Which one is it? Oh, you feel a strawberry?
I feel a jelly bob. I'm assuming it's strawberry.
Oh no.
Yeah, it is. Just don't put it in a blob.
Wait, this one tastes like a brownie.
It's probably a different flavor.
This tastes like a little lemon. That's good too. That's good.
You want mine, babe?
Hold on, twin. I thought it said like regular cheesecake. You said there's a strawberry blob.
Yeah, the little jelly blob with the strawberry flavor thingy.
Is it a thing or is it on the side?
It's a little blob on the plate.
Oh, this is a cheesecake.
Yeah, you can have that.
What is the blob?
Huh?
It's a.
I told you it was a blob of fruit stuff.
That's it.
Yeah. You want mine?
Hold on, twins.
It's only like cheesecake bites. It's like 3 of them. 4 of them. Are you tapping the table?
I ate all of it.
Lift that plate up. Oh, that's lemon. Where your plate at? How did you like it?
I will do it again.
What did you rate the dessert out of 10? I mean, out of 5.
4.
Everything was a 4.
4 for 4.
Period. I rated the dessert a 2 because I personally do not like cheesecake. Everything else was a 4.